after your configuration is in place, you will select the Azure virtual machine or an on-premise virtual machine that you want to onboard. Now, you can onboard a virtual machine and enable DSC in several different ways. And in this walkthrough, we'll cover onboarding through an Azure Automation account. Okay, so let's go back to our automation accounts. Let's go right here. And in the left-hand pane, let's go to state configuration. Let's go to nodes, and we're going to select add. And as you can see, we've got our virtual machine there, so we're just going to select that. And after we do that, we're going to click connect. So that's our primary key, the node configuration name. We're going to specify labconfig.web server, and we're going to leave the refresh frequency, the configuration mode frequency, configuration mode as default, and we're going to leave it as continue configuration. Okay. As a matter of fact, we actually are not. Now that I look at the skill pipe, we need to have the primary key or the secondary key for registering the node pulse. Okay, so this is just essentially giving us information. So we are going to leave it like this, but this is just giving us additional information. So if you read your skill pipe, it will give you a definition of every single area that's covered here. And yeah, you can have a better understanding on all the other options that you do have. So you've got continuous configuration and stop configuration. We are now just going to go ahead and select OK. Now I'm going to pause that while that completes. Okay, this is taking slightly a little bit longer, so it's still connecting. Just going to press refresh. I'm just going to go back. Refresh this. So as you can see, the status is still in progress, so I'm just going to go ahead and pause it until that's completed. There appears to be a glitch on my account because that's gone. I'll go back here. So it stated that it's connected, so it is working, but for some strange reason it's just not displaying on this part. However, for the time being, we have completed our demo, but ideally we was expecting it for it to appear here. However, there seems to be a glitch in the system, so I'm going to just try it one more time. Let me go back here. Configuration, go node. One more time. Select this, go click connect. Select this, we're going to leave all of that. Let me just double check on the. So apply monitor, apply configuration, yeah. That's fine. Okay. So we're going to let it finish connecting. What I'm going to do is I've created a new virtual machine, so I'm going to go ahead and select that one. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to connect. I'm going to do the exact same process here. I'm going to go ahead and do it one more time. I'm going to pause it while that completes. Our example VM is also in an in progress state. So it's been going on for about 2 or 3 minutes. Refresh here. Okay. We'll continue to wait, but I just wanted to show you all the updates. And this might take a while from the looks of it. Okay. Our example virtual machine is compliant. So what we need to do is we're going to go ahead and check. If we see in the essentials, we should be able to see that it's passed the compliance for the initial stages. It appears to have failed the consistency. However, this is how you would go about checking the status to see if your virtual machine is actually compliant. And as you can see, it is determined to be a compliant virtual machine. Okay, so that's the end of our demo.